What if I told you that mastering English grammar doesn't have to be boring or difficult? In fact, it can be fun and easy. Today, I'll show you how. By the end of this video, you'll turn English grammar from your worst enemy into your best friend. It's easier than you think, and I'll guide you step by step. Ready to conquer grammar in a fun way? Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing where you're at in your grammar journey. Ever felt like you'll never understand English grammar? Tenses, prepositions, articles, and all those confusing rules? It's frustrating, right? I've been there. I spent years struggling with grammar. No matter how much I studied, I couldn't remember the rules when I needed them. It felt like only the smart students got it. But what if I told you that's not true? It's not about being smart, it's about having the right approach. I know how it feels to put in the work and still not see results. It seems like grammar just slips away no matter how much you try. But you're not alone. This is something many people struggle with. And I'm here to show you how to break through. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to make grammar easy and fun. Forget about endless rules and feeling stuck. I'll walk you through a simple, practical step-by-step method that worked for me, and I promise it's easier than you think. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and ready to use grammar in real-life situations. No more fear, no more frustration. And I'll share the one promise I made to myself that completely changed how I learned grammar, and it can do the same for you. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share a secret that most people miss when learning grammar. It could be the key to finally making it click. You don't want to miss it. If you don't tackle this now, your grammar struggles will continue and progress will still feel out of reach. But if you take action today, you'll start mastering grammar with ease, one simple step at a time. Here's the problem. Grammar rules like tenses, articles, and prepositions can feel overwhelming. Many learners make the mistake of memorizing all the rules without really understanding them. They cram and memorize, but it never sticks, and that slow progress can be frustrating. When you don't use grammar in real life, it always feels disconnected. It's like trying to solve a puzzle, but none of the pieces fit. This makes it harder to remember the rules and use them naturally in everyday conversations. That's why so many students feel stuck. They're learning rules in isolation instead of using them in ways that matter to them. Without understanding grammar at a deeper level, you'll struggle to apply what you've learned in conversations, writing, or reading. It's not enough to just know the rules, you need to make them second nature. Until then, your progress will feel slow and you'll keep hitting roadblocks. So, how do we fix this? The good news is, there's a simple way to learn grammar that actually works. The trick is to stop memorizing endless rules and start using grammar in real-life situations. Let me show you 5 key steps that will completely change the way you approach grammar. 1. Stop memorizing rules. First things first, stop memorizing rules. I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. Focusing less on memorization and more on understanding how grammar works in everyday life makes all the difference. When you connect grammar to your real-world experiences, it becomes much easier to remember and apply. 2. Use grammar in daily life. Next, use grammar in your daily life. Simple activities, like writing about your day or talking to yourself in English, are perfect for practice. For example, describe what you did yesterday, what you're doing today, and what you plan to do tomorrow. This simple habit brings grammar to life and helps you use it naturally. 3. Practice with small sentences. Don't stress about writing long paragraphs right away. Start small. Begin with simple sentences. Focus on present, past, and future tenses. By starting small, you'll make grammar feel more natural and less overwhelming. For example, try sentences like, I wake up at 7 a.m. or I will meet my friend tomorrow. 4. Connect grammar to personal experiences. Make grammar part of your life. Use real-life examples from your day-to-day activities. This makes grammar not only easier to remember, but also more fun to learn. Instead of memorizing textbook examples, write about what you did today, what you ate, or where you went. This personal connection makes grammar more engaging and memorable. 5. Learn gradually. Finally, take it one step at a time. Don't try to learn everything at once. Focus on mastering one grammar point each day, whether it's the present simple, past tense, or prepositions. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed and you'll steadily improve without burning out. Now it's your turn. Start today by writing just one sentence in the present tense. That's it. Doing this every day will make a huge difference in no time. Keep it up and watch your grammar improve faster than you expect. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up. Drop a comment below sharing how you'll start using grammar in your daily life. I'd love to hear your thoughts and see how you're applying these tips. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a grammar tip. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Remember, consistency is everything. Don't let mistakes stop you. They're part of the learning process. The more you practice, the better your grammar will get. Stay patient and keep pushing forward. You've got this. With time, grammar will feel second nature. Soon enough, speaking, writing, and understanding English grammar will be easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep up the great work. You're on the right track.